Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and today I am so excited. I have a spring clean and decorate with me. I am so excited about this because I'm ready to inject some color into my house. I'm ready for spring, I'm ready for the sun, and I know it's only February, but I need some cheerfulness in this house. I'm tired of the cozy. I want the warm, sunny, light, and bright. So hopefully you guys will get some cleaning motivation and hopefully you guys will get some spring style inspiration. I have highly requested that I do a how to style my Rae Dunn, so make sure you stay through the entire video because I have Rae Dunn sprinkled out throughout my entire first floor. I have, of course, my china hutch, which I will show you exactly how I do, and then I also have my coffee bar in my living room area. And speaking of coffee bar, my good friend Cambriea from Living with Cambriea is doing a Rae Dunn coffee bar on her channel today. So if you guys want some awesome cleaning motivation and some really good Rae Dunn eye candy, she picked up some great stuff this season. She hit the jackpot, you guys. It's awesome. So I'm going to leave her video and channel up in the cards and in the description box below, so when you guys are done with me, if you want to, you can go over there and check her out. She is one of the first YouTube mamas to ever reach out to me, and honestly I can say she's one of my best friends. We talk every single day. So she is just amazing and her little boys are so adorable, and yeah, you guys should go over and check her out. I've gotten a lot of questions about how I stack my bowls. Basically, I stick my big bowls in there and then I take my little bowl and flip it upside down and then rest the bottom of the next bowl on top. So that is how I get my bowls to stack, and this is hilarious. I had so much trouble with these eggs. Okay, I had a vision of what I wanted to do and the eggs were not cooperating. They eventually did, but I struggled, you guys, and I'm just leaving this in here so you guys can know that, like, sometimes you just need to keep on, and eventually it might come out the way you want. But yeah, I was struggling so hard with these eggs.
Say I hope you're feeling. I'm gonna smile and say I hope you're feeling better, and make believe it came from you.
Walking alone in the middle of the night, we shine bright than a diamond. We were strangers at the start, now we can't be apart. Sitting in the back of the cab, listen to hits from the past. Memories slowly arouse. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. Whenever I'm not with you, it feels like falling down. I can't stop thinking about you. Stop thinking about you. Stop thinking about you. Stop thinking about you. looking at pictures from the past, want to remember what we had. Haven't found anyone like you, baby, I don't know what to do. I'm trying to figure it out, but my mind is filled with doubt. We're not here by my side. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. You can never say never was what they sang. The fray from my speakers when we laid in bed. Younger now than we were before. It's you that I truly adore. Stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. Can't stop thinking about you. When I look back at my life, would I done something different? Or would I live the life I lived? Would I say that I succeeded and that I got it what I needed? Or was it more for me to see? And this was the beginning of my dream. I was starting to pick myself up from the ground to the highest top. This was the start of something new. Hey, it feels like heaven with you tonight. It feels like heaven when I hold you tight. In the morning light, it feels like heaven. Facing ups and downs, but the moonlight helped me out. It got me to a better place. But would I say that I succeeded and that I got it what I needed? Or was it more for me to see? And this was the beginning of my dream. I was starting to pick myself up from the ground to the highest top. This was the start of something new. Hey, it feels like heaven with you tonight. It feels like heaven when I hold you tight. In the morning light, it feels like heaven.
Like
but dreams come alive. The grass seems greener on the other side. The stars shine bright, but only when it's night. We all have wings, but no one wants to fly. I have waited for too long to get rid of this loneliness, but all this time I felt alone. I just became unfocused on what's wrong and what's right, and on my purpose in life. You will fall, you will cry, but you will always find light. Counting days, counting time, counting time. Oh, but dreams come alive, come alive. The grass seems greener on the other side. The stars shine bright, but only when it's night. We all have wings, but no one wants to fly. Too long to get rid of this sadness, and I finally wrote this song, and I'm getting more focused on what's wrong and what's right, and on my purpose in life. You will fall, you will cry, but you will always find light. Counting days, counting time, counting time. Oh, but dreams come alive. Grass seems greener on the other side. The stars shine bright, but only when it's night. We all have wings, but no one wants to fly.